Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to bulk unsubscribe from Gmail promotions. So to pull this off, you need to use Gmail on a desktop browser. The mobile app simply lacks the heavy-duty batch selection features we need. So then log in into your dashboard and click into the main search bar at the very top of the screen, right over here. Don't choose the snooze, it's just me in this tab. Alright, and after that, guys, you need to type in this exact query. So it's category, then 2 dots, and then promotions. There you go. Like this, guys. And then hit enter. And there you go. As you can see, I have now all promotions listed in this little category, which is pretty much a filter if I'm to put it correctly. And then, guys, this commands Gmail to instantly index every single email sitting in your marketing folder that contains the specific word unsubscribe. And now look closely at the upper left corner of your email list, under view, select them all. And then, guys, just choose as many emails as you can here and then click on this trash icon. Right, there you go, to delete them. Or you can also archive it if you wish. And that is it. This is how it's done, guys, very simply. Enjoy as always and see you soon.